What's up, guys? Yeah, this is a Mazda how do you say it? REPU? I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to do a wheel swap. I was thinking about doing these, just these plastic. Yeah, already made the axles. I just hope everything fits. Same thing with these are the fronts. And guys, with that being said, let's get it started. First thing we do, guys, gotta drill it out. Let's drill it out. There's one. Hopefully. There's two. There it is. Those would look good on something else. Real good. Boom! Got it. Alright, guys. Clear this up a little bit. Alrighty. What'd I do with them? There they go. Let's see if these fit. Get the back end. They fit. They're real bent up. Nah. Let's redo this. Try to get this straight. Yeah, it's okay. Not what I expected, but it'll work. Guys, just let me know how your day's going. Leave a comment below if you want something special that you want me to do or anything. And like you just seen, these aren't gonna fit the front, so we're gonna have to make our own axles. Let's cut that off. Cut that, throw that to the side. Yeah, guys, just let me know what y'all want me to do. If there's any special cars that y'all are into, or just really anything, guys, just let me know what y'all want. Just let me know what y'all want, guys, and I will try to do that for y'all. Oh, I thought I lost it. There we go, guys. Alright, like before. Just press that in right there. car comes out looking pretty good. I've been wanting to do this one for a while. Just really didn't find no good real riders that I wanted, so I found these. These are actually off of a Dodge Demon that I did that y'all seen in a earlier video. So yeah, guys, just trying to squeeze it like that just to give a little end. Let's go ahead and pop these on. Pull them tabs back a little bit. Bam. Uh-oh. What do y'all guys think? Y'all think it's gonna come out good? I hope it does. I hope it does. Pull that off. Cut that little bit off. Don't cut too much. Press the end. And guys, I don't know if I mentioned this in my last video, but what I use is, for my axles, is this wire feed. Yeah, it's for a wire feed welder. I'm not sure the size, but that's what I like to use. Comes in real handy. I'm trying to focus, but yeah, anyways, that's what I use. It comes out good. I got this. See if it fits. Oh yeah. All we need to do is put her back together. Sorry guys. Oh yeah. Tell me that didn't come out good. And it rolls. Look at that. Before I had these. Now these. Oh yeah. That came out good. Wheel clearance. Yeah, it came out pretty good, guys. Little stoppage right here, but I know what that is. Well, there you go, guys. And there's another thing I want to mention in another video I want to do is this right here. This 49 Volkswagen Beetle. This is a short card. I did mention in another video I found these at a dollar store, Dollar General, and just thought it was pretty cool. These little short cards, I've seen them before, but you know, overseas and whatnot. But yeah, guys, I want to do this one. Don't really want to give the good details on what I want to do, but in a future video, we'll do this. But with that being said, guys, this is going to be the end of my video. Would love it if y'all would subscribe, like, comment to my channel. Would really help. And then with that being said, guys, I appreciate everything. There it is. Peace out, guys.